Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an incredible treat for you guys. I used to work at a steakhouse that did these little lobster corn dogs, and this morning for some reason me and Rachel woke up with this hankering for corn dogs. So we went down to the mall, picked up a corn dog on a stick, and it just sort of popped into my head that I used to make these lobster corn dogs almost every single day for like a year straight. So I figured, why not share this recipe with you guys? It's gonna absolutely blow your mind. Corn dogs are incredible already, but fill them with lobster and you have a you totally elevate the idea of a corn dog to the next level. So with that said, let's go in the kitchen and show you guys how to make these lobster corn dogs. So in this recipe, I'm using fresh lobster tails straight from the store, and it's really important that you use freshly cleaned lobsters because frozen lobster tails tend to stick to the shells after they're cooked, and that will prevent a clean removal of the meat. So once you've tied the tails together with a little bit of butcher's twine or just plain old string, get some water on a rolling boil, and you're going to cook the tails for about 10 minutes and the claws for around 7. So after you're finished boiling the lobster, you're going to quickly grab a bowl of ice water and then place all the lobster meat in this ice water, which is going to shock the meat and cool it down so it doesn't overcook. So once the lobster is completely cooled down, remove it from the bath, and then you're going to start to take the shells off with just a little bit of pressure, a cloth, and some careful handling. So when you come to the claw of the lobster, the first thing you want to do is remove the knuckle. After that, take the bottom pincer off and then wrap the claw in a towel and give it a few smacks with the back of your knife, and the meat should come sliding out fairly easily. So in order to get to the knuckle meat, you're going to need a decent pair of shears. Make 2 incisions opposite of each other on the shell, remove one side of the shell, and the lobster meat should come sliding right out. Once all your lobster meat is completely cleaned and all the shells are removed from it, all you have to do now is start skewering everything up. So once your lobster is skewered up and ready to go, all you have to do now is make your batter for frying. And in this is basically just a corn muffin mix that I bought from the store, some milk and an egg, and all you have to do is completely incorporate the mixture. One thing I would recommend before embarking on this recipe is try to find some sort of stick holder that would hold the skewer in place as it fries. I'm not too sensitive to oil popping on my hands, but for those of you who have sensitive skin or aren't used to it, I would definitely look out for something like that. So once you're done frying the lobster corn dogs, just gently place them on a towel to blot off any excess oil. And I'm going to plate these with a little bit of whole grain honey mustard. And there you have it, some beautiful lobster corn dogs. Alright, so these beautiful corn dogs are finished. That was a pretty intense process, but definitely worth the while. Got a little bit of this spicy honey mustard, because what's a corn dog without mustard? See the nice little red tinge of the lobster. Really, really crispy. Has that sweet flavor from the corn. Nice and buttery. This honey mustard is killer. It's like a little spicy because it's whole grain, but the honey gives it that sweetness, kind of cools it down just a little bit. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. Definitely nice and tender lobster, beautiful crispy corn dog. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe, and comment below for future video requests and things like that. And I'll see you guys next time with some more recipes. Bye, everybody.